Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID or account not found in the App Store problem on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your Apple ID or Apple account is not found, so let's see how can you easily fix that problem. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or if you are connected on a VPN, so try to disconnect with your VPN, and then you have to open up your settings. In settings, scroll down, go for general and go for transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode and your all network setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And once you have resetted all of your network settings, go for App Store, and here you have to retry, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here you have to look for the sign out option. Simply tap on it. Once you have signed out your account, you have to relaunch or reopen your App Store. Tap on your profile in the top right corner. Tap on sign in with Apple account, and here you have to tap on continue if you have this account, or if you want to use any other account. So you can just select the second option. So I'm going to select the first one. Once you have that, you will be logged into your Apple account in App Store, and once you have logged in, your problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Apple ID account not in this App Store problem on the iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.